Hello, Creative Gems. Welcome to Creativity. How's everyone today? I'm Sandy, and I'm so happy you are here with me. Today, I'm going to show you how to make 8 different glam, Halloween, and fall-inspired table decor pieces. I will list out all the materials, and if you would like, you can also visit my blog site at creativdiy.com for all the details. If you enjoy glam home decor and DIY crafts on a budget, I would also love it if you would support my channel by hitting the subscribe button so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. All the materials used in this DIY video is from Dollar Tree or Dollarama unless otherwise stated. For our first Halloween decor piece, we will need a large foam pumpkin, a microfiber mop head, some glitter gem stickers, and an LED candle. Take the foam pumpkin and using your hands gently remove the stem. You will see that the stem is attached to the rest of the pumpkin by a toothpick that is easily removable. Then, using the gem stickers, form the eyes, nose, and mouth onto the pumpkin. Next, place the mop head on top of the pumpkin and find a place where you can part the fibers to reveal the pumpkin face. Then, place the candle on top of the mop head. If necessary, use some hot glue to secure the candlestick to the mop head. And here is what our first Halloween pumpkin looks like. For our second glam pumpkin, we will need a small ceramic pumpkin like this one, along with some gem stickers. Embellish it by placing clear gem stickers vertically down the lines of the pumpkin. And here is what our second glam pumpkin looks like. For our third glam pumpkin, we will need another small ceramic pumpkin and some clear diamond-shaped acrylic gems. Embellish the pumpkin by hot gluing the diamond-shaped acrylic gems down the vertical lines of the pumpkin. Here is what our third glam pumpkin looks like. For our fourth glam pumpkin, we will need a fabric-covered pumpkin like this one. Although it is already beautiful on its own, we will use some silver rope like this one and wrap the stem in it using some hot glue. And here is what our fourth glam pumpkin looks like. For our fifth decor piece, we will need a ceramic gourd. This one found at the Dollar Tree comes in both silver as well as gold. In addition, we will need some black glitter, which I found on Amazon, some silver glitter, and some Mod Podge. Start by mixing the black glitter into some Mod Podge. Then add some silver glitter. Mix the glitter and Mod Podge well, and then using a paintbrush, apply 2 generous coats to the gourd, allowing approximately 1 to 2 hours drying time in between coats. When fully dry, this is what the glam gourd looks like. For our sixth glam Halloween decor piece, we will need a silver skull cup like this one, as well as a battery-operated LED tea light candle. The one I have chosen is silver. First, remove the cap and straw from the skull cup and put them aside for a future project. Take some of the leftover clear gem stickers and apply it to the skull head to form the eyebrows, nose, and a few missing teeth. And here is what the glam but scary looking skull looks like. And here is the skull as a candle holder. For our seventh decor piece, we will need some LED string lights. To stay within the Halloween theme, the one I have chosen lights up in orange. However, clear will also be just as nice for fall. We will also need an empty glass or plastic jar. Simply unravel the LED string lights and place it inside the empty jar, leaving the on-off switch outside the jar. For our eighth and last decor piece of the day, take a couple bags of decorative fillers containing an assortment of small pine cones and pine needles and sprinkle them into a bowl. You can see the fillers I have chosen is a mix of natural and silver coated pieces, perfect to glam up our table decor. And here is what it looks like. And here is what our table of Halloween and fall glam decor pieces look like in the evening after dark. This is what the decorated table looks like during the day. Comment down below and let me know which decor piece is your favorite. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel and share with other creative gems. Also, remember to hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload another DIY glam project. Have a very happy and glam Halloween, and I hope to see you all soon again.